Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can analyze the coverage. So we already added test cases to our two requirements. So these two requirements we just linked with the test cases in earlier tutorial. So let's see how we can analyze the coverages. So to analyze the coverage, you have to click view, then coverage analysis. Then it will give you a view like this, graphical view like this, where you can see how many requirements you have under this folder and how many them are already covered and what is their status. So as you can see, for our these two, we have the legends here. So you can see, if you click this, you can see the what this stand for, the different color. So for us, this vacation package and user management, these two has only one and one requirement, and both are with this color, which means these are not executed yet. For example, for this reserve management, you can see it has two which is failed, one is not run yet, two is not completed, and five is passed. So this way you can have a clear look, like if you have any requirements that is missing, any test case that is not linked with it yet, and if and how things are going with that requirement, if and how many them are failing, or how many them are passing, or if something need to be executed. So you can have a very uh, nice and clear view from here. um, so that's it for this tutorial. In this tutorial you learn how you can analyze the coverage from the coverage analysis view. And thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.